Ergonomic design. The radian extends from 10° extends to 8°. When brushing the back, you can apply force to an area. 3 parts, easy to clean. The sponge is specially designed. It dries easily and won't get moldy in a damp bathroom. It contrasts sharply with the plush fabric. The outer packaging is a mesh fabric, which has a frictional feel, can effectively remove itching, is easy to clean, and can be dried quickly. Silicone brush handle. It is stable, not slippery, and comfortable. Fasten, non-slip.